Welcome to eDoctorLog book by NBE. Now you can manage your trainees e-logbook anytime, anywhere on the go. To log into your e-logbook account, type natboard.edu.in/eDoctorLog in your web browser. On the home page, there is a window for you to log in. Your user ID is your registered mobile number and your first time password has been sent to you in your email. When you log in for the first time, the system will prompt you for a password change for security reasons. This is your landing page. Here you can see all the information about all the trainees under you and the status of their logbook, like pending cases, approved procedures, and all the thesis cases that they've got approved till date. To view and approve all the pending cases submitted to you, you come to this screen where all the detail is there, including the number of counts a particular case has been submitted to you. Click on the patient's name and you will be able to see all the details related to that case. You can enter any remarks in the box before you approve the case. Let's say you want to see another trainee's pending procedures. So you go to the list, open the case, and let's say you want to return this case to the trainee to make some changes. Now in the remarks, you can enter whatever changes you want the trainee to make. And then you can click on the return button. You confirm that you want to return the case to the trainee, and now it has gone, and the trainee will receive an SMS that you have reviewed that particular case. Similarly, you will also receive an email whenever a case is submitted to you for your approval. Here are all the approved cases for that trainee that you have approved. If you want to export any of this data to Excel, it's a single click procedure. You can simply go to the bottom of the page, click on export to Excel, and all this information is now exported to Excel. Using tools like filter and sort, you can easily see, for example, the cases that you have approved in a particular year or a date range. If you feel the need, you can simply save the details and take a printout of the same. To see the progress of thesis cases, click on the thesis cases link on each of the trainees tab. To visit your landing page, click on the eDoctorLog menu on the top left. On the top right menu, you will be able to change your profile details, change your password, and log out of the application if you require. For any queries, send us an email on doctorlog@natboard.edu.in. Thank you.